Climate change is real. That's something that, we hear it always. We hear it internationally, we hear it locally. People are always dependent on fossil fuel vehicles. So pushing for something that's low carbon or something that's different is a challenge because people are afraid about, making the change.
The promotion of low-carbon urban transport systems in the Philippines project, a collaboration between UNDP, the Department of Transportation, and supported by the Global Environment Facility, aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions while enhancing safe, accessible, and efficient mobility options, promoting health and advancing socioeconomic development.
LCT is created to address these issues. First, through policy. Second, through advocacy, and through higher investment in private sector development. We're changing the mindset of these cities to go and subscribe to a more sustainable and greener forms of transport system.
At heart of the project is partnership with pilot cities, including Baguio City, Iloilo City, Pasig City, and Santa Rosa City, and enabling them to adopt sustainable transportation.
Car ownership is very high here, and so the problem of traffic congestion was very evident. Hence, it was contributing to pollution and eventually adversely affecting the health of people.
The LCT, it is a call, or an eye-opener of what is our environment.
This initiative will be part of that sustainable mobility that brings together functionality and green principles. By reducing carbon emissions, not just in road transport, but in aviation and shipping as well, we come to understand the concept of sustainable transportation.
It is a laudable project which gives the experience of having to use and enjoy alternative modes of transportation, particularly electric vehicles. This gives them that opportunity to have an option.
If we indulge in electric vehicles, definitely this will significantly improve the air quality. Alam niyo naman, there was even a time na ang Baguio City naging number 3 sa city na with worst air quality. One of the solutions for that is to shift from itong fuel engines to electric vehicles.
Ang project ng UNDP, malaking tulong. Biro mo dalawang units na libreng na napunta sa amin, ay wala na kaming babayaran sa bangko. So malaking tulong yan. Kung mag-short man kami sa koleksyon sa aming ibang units, meron kaming pangdagdag. Kinikita namin halos lahat napunta na lang sa fuel.
Diesel actually consumes 50 to 60% of our expenses. With the introduction of low carbon, nakikita namin na yung impact niya sa amin is maganda.
We will have a cleaner air, more green air dito sa Baguio City, and also ma-reduce yung noise pollution kasi hindi na engine yung ginagamit natin kundi electric motor and mas tahimik po siya.
Yun po ang naisip din namin in the future, yung generation na susunod po sa atin is tulungan po natin. Kaya na-realize din po namin yun.
Meron din tayong mga kakilala na madaming gustong mag-bike pero challenging yung terrain ng Baguio. So, mas gugustuhin na lang nila na magsasakyan.
We have also witnessed the universities who are really, passionate about moving forward with the research and development agenda for low carbon transportation.
For the longest time, yung works ng student nandun lang sa shelf. Pero now that there is involvement in several sectors, then we would like to see na yung work nila are being used actually in the current context.
it is a project actually na pwedeng ma-involve yung sa school in terms of research and innovation. Like for example, pwedeng gamitin yung software to project or forecast yung sa travel demand forecasting in transportation engineering.
We started already our project study for the students in helping or supporting the city engineering office, specifically the traffic management division. So we are helping them in counting the volume of vehicles along the intersections.
The engagement with LCT has been an opportunity for the Department of Energy to work with our interagency partners in our push for a more energy-efficient transport sector. The transport sector has a considerable impact when it comes to demand. So the more we become sustainable, the more efficient the transport sector becomes, it also alleviates the pressure on the energy sector.
We have to educate the cooperatives in being able to manage their finances because some of them don't have that capability. And so DBP is guiding them through our lending centers on how they will be able to manage their finances, come up with their obligations, be responsible in their operations.
It is essential that LGUs be engaged in the scaling up in partnership also with the stakeholders because they will be the one that will continuously monitor and improve the service at the local level.
Seryoso ang national government at seryoso sila sa pagtulong sa mga tao, sa mga driver, sa aming transport sector. Seryoso sila sa pagpapalago at pagbuhay sa transport sector.
We deserve the best public transport sector that we can have, and LCT hopefully will deliver on that promise on a really sustainable transport sector for the Philippines.
If we're thinking about not just ourselves, let's think about the future generations. Let's leave something for them. Let's leave a brighter and better future for them. Let's work together hand in hand.
Since its inception, our collaborative efforts with the national government agencies, local governments, the private sector, civil society, and academic institutions have achieved significant milestones and imparted valuable lessons.
With this, we urge all our stakeholders to remain committed to attaining the long-term objectives of the project and that we all continue to work together for a greener and more sustainable future.
Let's unite our efforts and continue propelling the Philippines towards a future that embraces sustainability and resilience for everyone.